How to use Headspace. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Headspace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Headspace, you could also click the link in the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Headspace, it is a comprehensive mental health platform designed to provide accessible support through various services including meditation, mindfulness, training, and mental health coaching, in which it is founded with a mission to make mental health care universally available, and Headspace offers tools and resources aimed at providing and improving emotional being and resilience. And now to create an account, the first thing that you need to do is to simply install this on your App Store or Google Play Store, and after opening it, you will be directed in this page wherein you can start signing in using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID. And it will ask you what's on your mind, and I'm going to select reduce stress, manage anxiety, sleep better, feel calm, and relax. Then click the continue button to proceed. And after that, just click again the continue button, in which by doing so, you'll automatically be directed in this page. And as you can see in here, it offers a two plan. We have here annually and also monthly plan, but you can try the free trial such as 7 days free trial or 14-day free trial they offer by clicking try free and subscribe button below. Just select the payment method that you prefer, and after that, just click the subscribe button to proceed. And after selecting the plan that you prefer, you will now be directed in this page, and as you can see, it will show in here the welcome or introduction on how you can stay calm or using this platform. But you could also close this one by clicking the X button on the top left corner in here. So this is basically what the homepage looks like of Headspace application. So under this home or today section below, it will show you in here the step-by-step process on how you can start your day, such as getting started with Headspace and any other activity in here. But you could also navigate below the explore button, and it will show you some other kind of features that they offer. So you can see we have here a variety of choices to choose from. But moving on to this profile section, from here you can start navigating all of your activity history, your progress, and many more. Now going back to this today section, from here it will show you that you can start clicking or navigating some other activity that you want in here. Such as at night you can switch off, navigate this brown noise if you want to sleep, and by clicking on it you will be directed on this page where you can start listening to this music or sleep music that will help you to sleep easily. And you can also start customizing it by simply clicking the settings button right here. You can start choosing the lengths. We have here 60 minutes and 480 minutes that you prefer. You could also close the caption or haptic captions in here. Now going back to this page, aside from that, they also offer an activity for the day or afternoon. But moving on to this explore section, we have here a feature such as to meditate by clicking on it. From here you can start meditating or exercising your breathing. If you also recommended such as about the breathe, learn the basic meditation, or letting go of stress. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose the breathing, and upon clicking on it, it will show us in here that we can play this kind of audio, and you will be able to hear this person that will guide you in your breathing process. And if you also want to share this kind of meditation activity, just click the share icon, where you can start sharing it on your different kind of platform. But to customize this, just click the icon on the top right corner, and from here, it will show you that you could also start choosing the character that is speaking or guiding you on this meditation. Now aside from that, going back to this page, we also have here a different kind of feature for activities such as for sleep. You have here different kind of choices to choose from to sleep, such as winds down, sleep music, guides to sleep, the science behind sleep, and many more. You could also navigate here below some other collections such as the science behind sleep, Tribe as a Leader, the Shine collection, and any other kind of program and activity that we can navigate in here. But under this move section, we could also start moving or exercising with here move, means, mind and movement, and even this feel and good yoga. Wherein by navigating this application, we can start doing yoga, and it will show us in here the tutorial or the step-by-step process on doing yoga. We have here also sections such as daytime flow and any other yoga activity. Now moving on, aside from explore section, we could also navigate the profile icon button below, wherein it will show us our progress, such as relieving stress or anxiety, and also it will show us in here the list of activity history. And aside from that, on the top right corner, you could also navigate here the setting option. By simply clicking on it, it will show us in here other kind of options such as notifications. And aside from that, we have here the language, downloads, Google Fit, accessibility, and we'd also click the logout button if you want to log out to this application. So basically, this application focuses on providing vital mental health services alongside support for physical health, substance issues, and also educational or vocational challenges. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Headspace. Thank you.